Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to model this model in Maya, this clapping monkey model. This is a robot clapping monkey. So let's start. Hello friends, that's it. So here is our clapping monkey robot model in Maya. So this was the image I was using, referring, referring, and this is our model. So this is our reference, and this is our model. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more modeling videos like this and also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Bye guys.